How to find cash buyers through working with real estate agents. This is video 2 of a 3-part series. In the first video, I was actually cold calling realtors to see if they work with cash buyers. So if you did miss that video, I will provide it in the link above. Okay, guys, so we are on Facebook, and what you want to do is you want to hop in a Facebook group called Black Girls in Real Estate. As you see, there are 80,900 active members in this group, so it shouldn't be hard for you to find a realtor in your market or in any market if you are virtually wholesaling as well. Scrolling down, they have announcements as well as others that may post in this group as well. If we keep scrolling, you may see people that have passed their real estate exam in Alabama and other people looking for real estate agents in different markets. So what I'm doing right now is I'm typing in my name so I can show you guys the few posts that I have made so far in this group and what your post should look like if you are looking for cash buyers in this Facebook group or any other Facebook group as well. Hi, I'm an investor looking for investor-friendly realtors and brokers who work with cash buyers. I often have sellers looking to sell off-market that I'm looking to find buyers for, as well as sellers looking to sell on-market. I would love to give you referrals and leads, build new relationships, and increase revenue on both ends by closing more deals per month. I currently market in North Carolina, Georgia, and New York. Let's connect. If you scroll down, I also made another post saying I often get clients looking to sell their homes for retail value and would love to connect with professional realtors in different states. Just take a look at how many comments this post actually got. It got 252 comments. This was a major post. I was able to add so many realtors, investor-friendly realtors at that, to my Podio. And that, guys, is how you can find investor-friendly realtors. You can find realtors that work with cash buyers, that love to work with investors, just from posting on Facebook in your local Facebook group. So find a local Facebook group that has realtors in it in your market or virtually. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't have to be Black Girls in Real Estate, but that is a big Facebook group. As you've seen, it had 80,900 active members. So just imagine how many agents you can find just in different states just from that one Facebook group. So if this video provided value, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop some comments for me in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends or people that may find it of value. Stay tuned for part 3, and I will see you guys in my next video.